Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a review on the McDonald's grilled artisan chicken sandwich, and as you can see I got it customized with extra salt and light leaf lettuce.
Because of the E. coli.
Yes, E. coli outbreak. So this is my first look. I've never opened one of these before. Here we go. Alright, so as we can see, pretty shiny. Looks like they put some oil on it. That's what I like. Nice little carrying case for the sandwich itself. Let's get a little dissection in here. See what's going on in here. Okay, so we can see the lettuce, tomatoes, the vinaigrette, the chicken itself. Looks a little raw, but that's just how I like it. So that's basically the sandwich. Well, let's dig in. It's not very hot. It was about lukewarm, I'd say. I could have heated it up a little more, to be sure. But overall, it's got a fairly good taste, good texture. And the vinaigrette's pretty nice. The tomatoes, on the other hand, a little soft, gushy. Chicken's really nice and tender. They got that spot on. Give them a 10 out of 10 for that. And overall, I'd rate it probably a 3 out of 10. It's pretty good. Yeah, if anyone's out there on the edge about getting one of those, definitely buy it, please.